Hey there, welcome back. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. How to save a whopping $20,000 in just 12 months. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're dreaming of a vacation, planning for a big purchase, or simply want to build your savings, I've got a step-by-step plan that's going to help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's dive right in. 1. Setting the goal. The journey to saving $20,000 starts with setting a clear goal. Grab your notepad, and let's calculate how much you need to save each month. Break down your goal into manageable chunks. It'll make the process seem less daunting. 2. Creating a budget. Now, it's time to create a budget that works for you. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate those savings towards your $20,000 goal. 3. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Snip, snip. Let's trim the fat from your budget. Do you really need that daily takeout coffee or those subscription services you hardly use? Every dollar counts, and these small changes can add up to big savings over time. 4. Automating savings. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. You won't even notice the money disappearing, but your savings will be steadily growing. 5. Exploring additional income. Boost your savings by exploring side hustles or freelancing opportunities. Whether it's selling your crafts online or offering your skills as a freelancer, the extra income can help you reach your $20,000 goal faster than you think. 6. Shopping smart. Let's talk about smart shopping. Compare prices, use coupons, and take advantage of cashback offers. These small strategies can save you big bucks on your everyday expenses, leaving more room in your budget for savings. 7. Weekly progress check-ins. It's important to track your progress weekly. Use a journal to jot down your achievements, challenges, and any adjustments you need to make. Celebrate the milestones along the way. Each step is bringing you closer to that $20,000. 8. Staying motivated. Saving $20,000 in a year requires dedication and persistence. Surround yourself with motivation. Create vision boards, set reminders, and visualize what you're working towards. Remember, every choice you make is a step toward financial freedom. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to save $20,000 in just 12 months. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to supercharge your savings journey, these tips will set you on the path to success. It's not always easy, but with determination and a clear plan, you can achieve your financial goals and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more money-saving tips and financial guidance. Until next time, stay financially savvy.